2018 Ford EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers you the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, compass, electronic stability control, overhead console, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, tilt steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.